Hi there. Today we're going to have a really quick little tutorial and we're going to make the Mine pen and pencil desk organizer. You probably don't need the instructions, but just in case you're more comfortable with them, here they are. By the way, if you're enjoying these little tutorials, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell that makes you get all the notifications so you won't miss out on anything. This design is available at my Silhouette Design Store profile, and I'll leave the link to it down below in the description. So as usual, I like to lay everything out that I'm going to need and make sure everything fits and I know where things are going to go. You're going to need a bone folder and some adhesive for this project, and you can use whatever adhesive you want. I just happen to prefer these ones. The first thing we're going to do is take the box base and we're going to fold along all those perforated score lines. Now I have speeded up this part of the tutorial just a little bit. Because of its size, I've had to divide the box up into two pieces. So one side of the box is a separate piece, and you're just going to have to fold up all those perforated score lines, just like you did with the box base. And then we're going to have to attach them together. And there's a little bit of a trick with that. It's not quite intuitive, at least it isn't for me. We just have to be on the ball when we apply the adhesive to those flaps. This little flap is going to go to the back of the box. So let's get busy and put the adhesive where it needs to go. Just like this. We'll start with that flap on the left side of the little piece. Now it's starting to look more like a symmetrical box. And as I said before, those flaps are going to go to the back because we don't want to see them at the front. At this point, it's a little easier to see where you need to add the adhesive to the tabs at the front of the box. There, the box is all made. And now it's just a matter of adding the embellishments. Of course, if you wish, you could replace the Mine panel with someone's name. And now all you have to do is fill her up. You've got a fun and kind of cheeky pen and pencil organizer for your desk. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me on my website because that's usually the most reliable place to see any answer I might have for you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.